हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम करने वाले हैं काइनेमेटिक्स का एक क्वेश्चन। ए बॉडी डिस्क्राइब्स 400 सेंटीमीटर इन थर्ड सेकंड एंड 1200 सेंटीमीटर इन द फिफ्थ सेकंड। 400 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 4 मीटर एंड 1200 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 12 मीटर. If the motion is uniformly accelerated, how far will it travel in next 3 seconds? So given, what is given? Distance traveled in third second S3 is equal to 4 meter. Distance traveled in fifth second S5 is equal to 12 meter. To find, what we have to find? First we have to prove the motion is uniformly accelerated, and second we have to find how far will it travel in next 3 seconds. So let us solve. We know displacement in nth second is Sn is equal to u plus a to n minus 1 upon 2. So now let us solve this. To us it is given Sn. S3. First we will find out for 3. S3 is equal to u plus a 2 into 3. Here n is 3. Minus 1 upon 2. So S3, here above it is mentioned that it is 4. 4 is equal to u plus 5a upon 2. Let us suppose it to be as equation 1. So now next we have to find out S5 is equal to u plus a2 into 5 minus 1 upon 2. Now S5 was given as 12. 12 is equal to u plus 9a upon 2. Let this be equation 2. Now by substitution, or you can say by subtracting equation 2 by 1, we get. Let us use substitution method. It will be easy for us. So the second equation, it can be modified as u is equal to 12 minus 9a upon 2. Let us suppose this to be equation 3. Now put equation 3 in equation 1. Four is equal to, instead of u we will put 12 minus 9a upon 2. 12 minus 9a upon 2 plus 5a upon 2. So this 4 will be shifted this side and these 2 will go that side. A upon 2 minus 5a upon 2 is equal to 12 minus 4. So now from here we will write here 9a minus 5a upon 2 is equal to, and now 12 minus 4 will be is equal to 8. Now further solving, 2 is equal to 8. Four a is equal to 8 into 2. A is equal to 8 into 2 upon 4. 1 za 2 za 1 za 4 za. This implies a is equal to 4. So here a value we have got. So this a value we will put in equation 1. See, now let us put 4 is equal to u plus 5 into 4 upon 2. This implies 4 is equal to u plus, here 1 ja and 2 ja, 5 into 2. This implies 4 minus 5 2 ja 10 is equal to u. This implies u is equal to minus 6 meter per second. Since acceleration is constant, so therefore we have proved the motion is uniformly accelerated. Therefore the motion is uniformly accelerated. So now we have to find distance. D is equal to S8 minus S5. D is equal to, u value we know, minus 6 plus 4 into 2 into 8 minus 1 upon 2 minus 12. D is equal to minus 6 plus 30 minus 12. D is equal to 12 meter. So therefore the distance travelled in next 3 seconds is 12 meter. I hope this question you have understood very well. Thank you all of you. Have a great day.